Car.
You enjoying your cake? You enjoying your cake? Yes. Cheers. Thanks for that. It looks like you're now having a bath.
More cake.
It's there.
Hello. Hello.
Who's there? That's your head. Are you a cake head?
Cake. Eyes.
Yeah, that's your eyes. That's now chocolate coated eye.
Chuck. Eyes.
Chocolate eyes. What about your nose? What about your nose? Chocolate nose.
Tuck. Nose.
And your cheek? Chocolate cheek.
Chuck. Cheese.
And your chin?
Chin.
Chocolate chin. Yummy. Oh, you found the other cheek.
Belly.
Belly, you can have a chocolate belly. Oh
Chuck.
no, you found your forehead.
Frog.
Careful, you're going to end up with Rocky's mouth. You're not going to throw it.
Throw it.
No, you're not going to throw it.
Egg.
No, you've eaten it.
Egg.
You've eaten it. Yeah.